Hey, how's it going? It's Michael de Cruz, and I'm here going on a walk with my wife. And in this video, I just want to show you how you can start making money on TikTok, how to make $100 per day on TikTok. So don't go anywhere. Let me go ahead and go to my home office, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, so are people really getting results on TikTok? Are people really making money on TikTok? Well, my friend, I'm gonna show you this right now because they actually are, and you can too. That's why I'm making this video. It's just for you. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'm gonna, give you a formula where you can know how to start making money on TikTok. So if you're looking to making $100 per day or more on TikTok, stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna share with you something that will help you out. All right. So look at this right here. So Barry right here just made a sale off TikTok. Only started putting up videos yesterday. These videos are pretty much 15 to 20-second videos that he's posting and he's getting results. Linda here, she's crushing it. She's only been on TikTok for 10 days and she's generating 160 to 180 leads. So if you have a business and you want to grow, you want to generate leads, TikTok is the hot place to be right now because you can get endless amount of leads for free thanks to TikTok. TikTok is like, as soon as you put a video, they're already, you're gonna get a ton of traffic to those videos, right? So it's kind of crazy what's going on. And I bet I'm gonna show you my profile because I only been on TikTok for like 5 days, and I'm getting followers. I only got like 9 videos on there, and one of the videos are getting like probably like 400 views, and it's insane. So TikTok challenge results. This guy right here. Look at this. He's getting 10,687 views. So the amount of traffic that you see here is nuts, and it's just crazy. This person made 2 sales in his business, 34,967 views. Crazy, crazy. Mark Casera here. He says TikTok works. Just stay with it. He's been doing it for 5 months since November 20th, and he made over $4,000 in affiliate commissions. These results aren't typical, of course. This is, he's actually implementing, skills that he learned, and he's just being consistent, right? So if you're that person, then you can also get results. So again, the results are not typical. It's just basically depending on the person's efforts, all right? So I just wanted to put that out there because this is not one of those, get rich quick schemes that you hear about. This is basically very reliable and legit way of making money on TikTok by just making 15-second videos. This is crazy. He didn't make not just $100. He made $1,000 the other day, a few weeks ago, on TikTok, and that felt great. He says, crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at this guy, insane TikTok results day 4. So it's only been there 4 days as he posted this. Over 500K video views, had multiple videos go viral. He made 3 to 5 sales a day. So my point here is that people are making money on TikTok, and so can you. I mean, I know you might be thinking like, what do you mean like TikTok? Isn't that like an app for like teenagers and people just posting silly stuff? No, my friend. Something happened, I guess, with people having to stay home. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are just pretty much signing up for TikTok, and the traffic in there, the amount of people in the community is increasing each day. So there's people really taking their business in there because that's where people are at right now. So you want to be a part of TikTok. You want to download the app if you don't have it ASAP. And let me share with you my profile here on my phone. So let me show you. So this is what the TikTok app looks like. So I'm gonna click on it. Let me point at it. That right there says TikTok. I'm gonna hit that. And you can see as you're watching this video, I only got like 9 videos on there. I only been in it for like 5 days, and I'm already getting 52 followers. It's crazy. I posted a video where I made, I had $1,000 day that day, and I posted it on there. It's getting like 324,400 views already. This one's getting like 398. And again, this is like 15, maybe less than 15-second videos that I'm making. And look, I'm getting likes. I'm getting people commenting on them. I'm getting followers. I'm getting subscribers to my YouTube. It's really insane what's going on. As you can see, I have an inbox right there. Somebody just, contacting me. So it's crazy. So you want to be part of this right here for TikTok, because it's really going to help you out. The way you get the app, just go to the App Store if you have an iPhone. Um, just type TikTok on the search, and basically, it says open for me because I already installed it. But just download that app. You can also go to tiktok.com, and you can download the app from there too. And it's really simple. But again, look at this. I already got 52 followers with only like 4 or 5 days of being in this thing, and only got only 9 videos. And you see many of them are getting views on there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So let's go to the part now. How can you make $100 per day? This is how you can do it, right? So I already showed you the results. I already showed you the results people are getting, some of my results, and I already showed you how you can get the app downloaded in there. So basically, this is what you got to do. The first thing you got to do, you want to check out that link that I left you in the description. Right? I left you a link in the description, that first link. Click on there and access that free video, and this is what you're going to be getting access to. Because you probably be like, so how do I really make money on TikTok? I don't know how to set up profile. Maybe you don't know what kind of videos to make. Well, this is what we got here. We got the 15-second free leads challenge that you can get started. It's a 2-hour course, and this is what you're getting, right? On day 1, you're gonna get Jake Thornhill here. He's gonna show you how to create a never-ending vault of content ideas that will ensure an endless flows of free traffic into your business. Okay, and basically he's gonna give you his formula to do that. We have on part 2 of that training, of that course, you're gonna get a 6-point TikTok profile optimization framework to create a TikTok profile that will generate an unstoppable amount of free leads. Okay, so he's gonna help you how to really set up your profile to generate leads, to get on lead generation mode. Pretty cool course. I got that course myself, and man, the amount of value in there is incredible. I'm implementing what I learned from the course, and I'm getting results, as you saw on the screenshot, or on my phone actually. All right, so then on part 3 here, you're gonna have Mr. Jonathan, cool guy. He's going to give you the 15-second leads formula. He will show you how to use the TikTok algorithm to your advantage, just to have TikTok share your videos for free. What if you knew how to do that? Imagine how many, how much you can do for your business, or for, for different things, right? And make money. Okay, so Jonathan is now able to spend time with his wife and new baby. Same here. This is what I came online because I'm able to do those same things. We have Dom here. He's going to show you how to post exactly what your audience wants. So you don't know what your audience wants, then he's going to show you exactly how to post what they want, so you can start getting results. So that's crazy. And then on part 5, we're going to have cool guy here, Matt. Mr. Matt here, he's going to show you, he will break down pretty much how to use the app, different functions of the app, and he'll even share his phone screen live, kind of like I did. And pretty much that's what you're going to get, this really amazing course. And do you want to know how much is it? Well, it's only $1. So you're going to have this course right here that, with all this value, with the ability to earn you $100 per day or more for just $1. How insane is that? I mean, I don't know if they're gonna keep that forever. As soon as I heard about this, I grabbed my hand, I grabbed it right away, because I don't know if it's gonna stay like that forever. But if you're watching this video, and if you click that link right now and grab this course and get on TikTok and start making money, okay? So that's where I want to leave it at right now. And if you found this video useful, let me keep it right here. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit like, because that way YouTube can show this to other people that can benefit from. A lot of people need stuff like this for their business. They need stuff like this so they can earn money online, and this is a good way to do it. So go ahead and grab this course. You're gonna get all of that for just $1 right now. So make sure you hurry up and grab it before before it disappears, or before the price increases. I don't know if they're gonna even do that, but just grab it, go through the training, and start using TikTok and start making money. This will help you make $100 per day online. Hey, if you found this video useful, make sure you hit like. That way YouTube shows it to other people that can benefit from it. And if you want to start making $100 per day on TikTok and generate leads, maybe you're somebody that wants to like grow a business, or maybe you're somebody that just wants to make money, well, go ahead and hit that link below. That's the first link, and we'll see you in the next video.